TMJ Stories, as you know, is a lot about our baseball adventures following the Milwaukee Brewers, but it's not the only thing that we're going to give you on this channel. We got a couple of favorite foods.
Yes.
What are they?
Chicken tenders and cheese curds. So we're gonna be going around town and
a lot farther beyond just town.
Yeah.
Anywhere that we can find chicken and cheese curds.
Oh.
If you ever have suggestions on a place that we should check out for him to review the chicken tenders, the cheese curds, or both, put them in the comments. Tell us where we should try them out. Our first restaurant is one that this little man has been to for years and is perhaps his absolute favorite.
CULVER'S! Could I please get an order of chicken tenders, and then could I also have an order of sauce and cheese curds?
For those who are unfamiliar with Culver's, many of you around the United States probably have one in your state now. It was started about 20 years ago here in Wisconsin. It's a national chain at this point, but they serve Wisconsin food, such as butter burgers, which are burgers with a lot of added fat content because of that butter that makes it taste so good, but also one of this little man's favorite foods, cheese curds. The other thing that's Wisconsin that Culver specializes in is frozen custard.
And concrete mixers.
Which is frozen custard along with a whole bunch of different elements.
They have a flavor of the day, and today's flavor is double strawberry. My favorite flavor of the day is cookie dough craving. Now this is a salted caramel concrete mixer with cookie dough craving, or with cookie dough in it, and that sounds good. And then here for cookie dough craving, they put caramel drizzle on the cookie dough frozen custard, so it's so good.
What is it that to you makes a great cheese curd?
You gotta have this crispiness on the cheese curd, and you gotta have some good cheese in there. As you'll see in a future video, another vendor in our city really puts the cheese into the curd.
Whenever we go on the road, whenever possible, you absolutely have to have, whenever possible, Culver's while on the road.
Well, when we go to West Virginia, where my mom, your wife is from, there are several Culver's in Indiana. So we always stop at we at least always try to stop at a Culver's in Indiana. So he can get a butter burger, and I can get this amazing. Alright, so the main tender is hot, but I just took a little piece off the side. I like to snack on that quick, and the main tender goes with ketchup.
What you really tasted was the crispiness of
which I love.
And for you, a tender has to be
crispy.
Let us dig into those chicken tenders.
Okay, yeah, it's not hot anymore.
Describe the deliciousness.
There isn't without ketchup. Gotta really dip it in. And then,
as we've said before, he likes ketchup on his ketchup. Now, there is a phenomenon that happens often with our son when he eats. We've given a piece of evidence of it in one of our baseball videos, but here it is. It's called ketchup face. Now, for this series, our little man is going to do his own ranking system that's going to help show you how he ranks chicken tenders and cheese curds.
Combined, Culver's is a 100. Then, if you get higher than Culver's, it's going to be about, it's going to be 101, 102, or above. If it's under Culver's, you could rank it a 1 all the way up to 99. If it's as good as Culver's, you're ranking it in 100.
Now, how often have you found something that's as good as Culver's?
cheese curd, you'll see it coming up. I can agree with Zach Campbell. Water is the best drink in the world. Look out for that one. It'll be coming soon, hopefully. Oh, there's a bug on or something.
It's all right. It's all right. I'll spray it away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Now, how he does his rankings involves. I